So I'm in the Golf. The back door is finally seized up on this 93 door. Can't open it. That latch is seized. I have to open it because I want to switch the spare over. So that's going to be fun. Always carry a fire extinguisher in your car. Handy. Yeah. Seen more than one car burn up on the highway. And this is the side. Let's get the 93. See, the inside's actually green because that's off a 93 car when this clip was changed. And the white is from another car. This tire off, it just won't come. Wow! I'm gonna have a flat. Wowzers, it's on there. It's amazing. It's like welded on. Let's spray some of this in here. Man, let that soak in. Treads on this is pretty bad. Just chewed on that. I got it off and all lubricated. I'm just gonna check out the bearing here, maybe lubricate the outer bearing with some I don't know if I can get it with one hand. Oh yeah, not the thing you're supposed to do. Clean that out. It's pretty lubricated in there. I'll re-lubricate it. I could spray paint it red and make it into a hot rod. Can't wait to do a cold start. I'm gonna do a cold start for you guys on the 97 GT right over there. It runs and it moves. Here we go. First cold start in a while. About, I don't know, 2 weeks on the Monster Energy Mobile 97 Golf GT. Key right there. With some tape. Let's turn her over. Alright. Look at this. Hey! It moves now because we kind of repaired the CV joint. Brakes are pretty bad. Bad. I'm gonna swing it over here. You gotta do those brakes. You can hear them. But that sounds bad. Oh well. Take a look at the engine. Cold start. Engine running cold. Those brakes are just really puckered up. You can get a new rotors for $15. So I'll run pretty good, 175,000. Nice. Beautiful little Jetta GT space wagon, complete with the falling apart molding, unglued molding. It's a hot rod. Yes, sir. And I plan to do some brake work on it, get this on the road, because I think this would be kind of a fun winter driver. Good beater, right? Not so bad. Let me show you guys full view. Not a bad car. Kind of a cutie. Now don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. I have an oil change all set for you. And we got the back tire on it too. Pretty good sounding for a $250 car, huh? Nice. So I got the GT going. I'll show you guys a cold start on that coming up. And we got the roofing for everything. There's Steve. Where's he going? Where's he going? Always going somewhere, that guy. Anyhow, got the deck. I want to show you what I've been working on for the new metal, used metal that Brother Steve offered up. Went on the top of this. There it is. Coming along. I'm trying to figure out the dimensions and how to measure the 2x6s going across. You see, I have sort of a architectural problem going on with the height here of the 2x6s. I can't run them on top. I have to run them inside and then run strapping along the top. So I'm gonna probably have to have two pieces right here, a little piece, and then in here the longer piece. I'll cut at that angle right there. So some sort of an angle there. I figured it out, and I measured up everything so it's level. And there's one way you can do it. It's putting braces in. Think about it. Oh,
I got I got hangers.
Yeah.
And I just picked up a bunch of 2x6s. Cut them and put them in there.
I'm gonna use your 2x6s that you stored here. So we're gonna work on that. I'm gonna take more pictures when that's up. Yeah, going that way. Uh-huh. Hi YouTubers, how you doing? Looks like a wet day in my neck of the woods. We still haven't got a real severe frost yet, so it's been kind of an interesting fall. It's been kind of warm, a couple sort of frost, but nothing serious, like I say. And we're gonna get nailed, I think, right? With some really cold weather eventually, right? It's October. The old days, you know, we'd have hard frost back in, I'd say early, mid-September, stuff like that. So I'm going into town. I'm gonna pick up some paint. Thinking about buying some silver. I think the stock market headed for a bubble. They're talking about that. Headed for a bubble. Some sort of a correction, especially with this government shutdown. But it's like they're trying to manage a budget based on a fiat currency anyhow. So I don't know. Doesn't seem to make a whole lot of sense to me. It seems confusing. I bet they're confused too. They don't want to. The Republicans don't want to pass the Obamacare. They want a lot of ins and outs to the budget. But the budget, you know, with the deficit, doesn't make any sense anyhow. The deficit is greater than all of the, you know, the expenses of government. Bigger than how much they bring in. So I don't understand exactly what the deficit is. Is it money that we lent to others, or is it money we owe ourselves? And then you get the Fed printing up money and doing quantitative easing. Throwing, what do they say, what, $85 billion a month into the stock market, printing money up from nothing, pumping it into the stock market, 85 billion. I mean, what does that number even mean, right? It's probably just flashing on a computer screen, stuff like that. So your paper money backed by nothing kind of makes me nervous. But it's kind of like we all believe in that, you know, in the monetary system, or at least we think we do, that, but it should be backed by something tangible. It's just, all money's debt, right? It's just a form of an IOU. So anyhow, I was thinking about getting some more silver today. Silver, I looked at the price this morning, and it's $22.22 an ounce, and you can probably get a Gold Eagle for $28 to $32, and seems like maybe a smart decision. We'll see, right? Time will tell. I'd recommend people to buy some silver. Buy tangibles, get a 3 months worth of food. How about 3.5 years worth of food stored up? How would you even do that? Well, have a good morning, everyone, and hopefully I have some good videos of cars and interesting things on a sunnier day.